Human civilization has to coexist with nature, and in order to maintain a healthy business, a company must respect this and find a way to develop its business in harmony with nature, allowing both enterprise and nature to evolve together in balance. Perfect natural circle. Everything revolves around the spindle at the heart of the machine. Kenturn maintains a positive attitude, evolving new innovations, striving to produce better and better spindles for the market, making the spindle at the core of each machine tool more and more stable, strong, accurate, and reliable in operation. Since Kenturn began in 1983, it has exclusively focused its efforts upon the development, design, manufacturing, and assembly of machine tool spindles for the market. Proactively creating new technologies and always maintaining a client-centric viewpoint to ensure that it is rising to the challenges and meeting those special needs which its many loyal clients are facing in the market every day. At present, Kenturn's key products are: the present and major products are high-frequency spindles, built-in motorized spindles, machine tool spindles, industrial machine spindle, special-purpose machine spindles, and more. With a variety of applications for machine tools, woodworking machinery, automobile industries, aerospace industries, electronic and semiconductor industries, biotechnology, medical equipment, TFT, and more. The high-precision products we have developed to date are spindles of all different sizes and geometries, including CNC grinding machine spindles, CNC machining center spindles, CNC boring machine spindles, CNC lathe spindles, CNC milling machine spindles, clean room special purpose gear wheel machine, CNC special purpose spindles, high frequency motor spindles, built-in motor spindles, all developed and produced to the very high standards that our loyal clients have come to expect from us. CNC lathe spindles, KT2404. CNC direct drive spindles, KD1012. CNC machining center spindles, KC1410. CNC grinding spindles, PS9059. In its position as a professional spindle manufacturer, Kenturn always ensures that it is focused on the needs of the market, developing and producing new high-precision spindles to meet their needs, and contributing the overall value of the machine tool industry by supplying outstanding high-precision CNC spindles to the market. In our spirit of continuous development, Kenturn offers its customers over 4,000 different specifications of spindles, making it a global leader in the supply of spindles to the market. In our role as a market leader in spindle development, Kenturn maintains the best and most complete team of development professionals to bring new products to the market. Not only can we develop and manufacture spindles according to the custom requirements of our clients, but all of our development focus is client-driven, ensuring that we always focus upon their needs, understand their needs, and communicate with them to discover additional requirements we can build into our products. In this, we can be sure that our products will exactly meet your needs and be a resounding success in the market. The testing stage is the key stage in Kenturn's production process. From the time the raw material arrives, there is examination and testing at every step of the meticulous manufacturing process. Rigorous measurement, stability testing, accuracy checking, all to ensure that we meet the high expectations of our clients. Additionally, in order to maintain the high precision of our spindles, reduce vibration, maintain balance, and allow very fast, accurate tool changing, Kenturn has invested heavily in our high-precision testing equipment. Our temperature and humidity-controlled production facility ensures that the precision of our products is always maintained. Our 10,000 class temperature and humidity-controlled pressurized workrooms provide the optimum environment for the assembly of our products, guaranteeing very high-precision products with a long service life. Kenturn maintains an international level of service and always ensures that customers are delighted with the service that they receive, and in this way, ensuring that the quality of the brand is globally recognized. In the future, Kenturn will continue to strive to deliver the latest products with the most up-to-date functions to satisfy their clients. This will ensure that Kenturn will always be the first choice of business partner in precision for our international clients and the leading brand in the international market.